Hi there, Scott with Seaman Custom Builds. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I used a $15 toolbox from Home Depot, made a case for my electric chainsaw. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So many of the electric chainsaws don't come with a case, even though they're similarly sized as their gas counterpart. I'm trying to come up with another solution. After taking a couple measurements, browsing Home Depot's website, I found this Husky toolbox, 22 inch, was just about perfect for the length, width, and height this Makita chainsaw needs. Plus I'll be able to store extra batteries, bar oil, and safety items all in one place. So let me show you what I did. So using the scabbard that came with the saw, made a couple quick measurements. 4 inches by 1/2 inch was what I was looking for. There's a couple little bumps, so tight enough that will keep it from just falling out. So opened up the case, check to see what I was dealing with here. So you can see there's an indentation for the handle area. So I wanted to come right down beside it, and that would line up just right with the chainsaw itself. So coming around the side, using a silver Sharpie, I marked out my measurement, cut that with a utility knife, 4 inches by 1/2 inch wide, stayed just shy of that bump out. And as you can see, the scabbard slides in nice and snug. So now we just need to add the chainsaw. From overhead, you can see the space around the saw. Plenty of room for all the accessories I need to carry with. Got our bar oil, extra pair of safety glasses, 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries. If I have more, I could put those in there. On the top, one end, I have a spare chain, room for more of those. On the other side, earplugs, extra pair of safety glasses. So I hope you find this video helpful. Maybe your saw is a little different size. Maybe you're trying to fit something different than a chainsaw. But by using an off-the-shelf box, minor modifications, it can serve the purpose you're looking for. And remember, don't just build, create.
If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share. There are also links below to any products or tools used during this video.